As you may have seen in the recent pickup video, I got 100 Super Famicom junk titles from Japan. Now this was one of them. This is Godzilla Kaijuu Daikessen. I've probably absolutely butchered that, but as you can see, it doesn't work. And the reason it doesn't work is because it's filled with silt. Now it looks like it's actually been living in a puddle because it's full of mud. There's mud in the grooves and all over the PCB. Now normally with these games I just give them a clean on the pins and they work, but with this one sadly it doesn't, so we're going to fix it up. For the first step, I'm going to put it in this tub and I'm going to cover it in 99% isopropyl alcohol. The reason for this is it's going to kill off any germs and I'm going to clean off all of the dirt and silt that's already on there. I don't exactly know if it is silt, but I'm going to use a toothbrush. And using an electric toothbrush is a good way of doing this because it saves you having to scrub really hard. And they're good because they're sensitive for teeth, and if you push too hard, they do stop. Obviously it's a bit more money than a cheap toothbrush, but you know, it does the job. And as you can see, it looks really good now. Now there are many ways of cleaning cartridge pins. I like to use Deoxit D5. I'm going to use a Dremel with a wheel on it. And now I know some of you are going to be going, no, not a Dremel, but this is just on the lowest setting, no pressure, just gently across the pins and it'll buff them right up. But as you can see here, there's a little bit of copper coming through one of the traces. This happens on Super Nintendo games, it's quite common. You should check yours if you haven't. And what happens is the plastic of the cart case actually rubs against the PCB and rubs the conformal coating off, which then exposes the copper and can cause a break. So if you do need to fix this, a bit of conformal coating, some UV light, and it will repair that patch right up. If the trace is broken though, you're going to have to run wires. The last thing to do is just glue down this tiny little bit of sticker that's missing. It's still there, it just needs gluing in place. And now it's time to test. Nice. It works.